Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So today we will be continue the discussion we had last time. So last time we have discussed about financial audit. So financial audit, its benefits is enhanced credibility of financial statements are reliable and trustworthy. So because of the auditor is objective, a third party, so that means they have a reputation. So their output is we can rely upon. So this is the true score of the organization's liquidity, financial standing. It's income statement, financing, and other related uh, finances. Second, improved transparency. Stakeholders have access to accurate financial information. This is very important because if the investor is not satisfied, they're going to pull out their investments. So we have to keep their trusts. So by having a financial audit from a reputable organization. Another is third is a better decision making. Informed decisions can be made based on reliable financial data. If the picture is correct, therefore the manager can make a good decision. So this is our sources of by the way, this is just let's talk about one example for tourism. Okay, sources of finance for tourism and hospitality. Although the concept relevant to management because these are actually financial management is a centralized concept in all businesses. So let's have the analogy. So internal source of finance is retained profits. Yeah, for example, when the investors are kept their money in the company, so therefore company have liquidity, have a cash flow that will guarantee its operations. So profits are invested in the business. So profits can earn money. So most of the big corporation, that's how they derive their finances by investing the profit. No? Another is owner's capital, owner's personal savings or investments. So people that have both their shares, equity from the company. So example, Marriott International retained profits. No? Marriott International reinvest its retained profits to finance. So it's a expansion plans. No? So retained profits. So Marriott International reports retained profits of 2.3 billion in 2022. Expansion plan, Marriott International uses its retained profits to finance its expansion plans. So for example, they have a project, new acquisition that will create money, no? Or acquire some company, including the acquisition of the new properties for money making. So that's how they make money to create money. So this is a report. No? External sources of finance, we have loans. So company has money from the banks and the banks in return. So there was a time that United States lowered their interest rate to 1% only. That's the time a lot of organization took their money. Another thing is equity financing, funds raised through the sales of shares. So company are selling their shares uh, and then acquiring therefore the money from the investors. Another thing is grants, no? Funds provided by government agencies or organization. So for example, a philanthropist, no? So in the case of example, Rockefeller or a lot of billionaire in the United States. No? Example, Hilton Worldwide's loan financing. So loan financing Hilton worldwide obtained 1.5 billion to finance its refinancing plans. So loan financing, Worldwide obtains loan of that much, no? From syndicate of banks. No? Usually bankers are the one that provides that one. The financing plans, Hilton Worldwide uses loan to refinance its existing debt and reduce its interest expenses. Yeah, because they want all company want to finish their loan or debts so that they can stop paying, no? Because interest is eating them. Okay. So alternative sources of finance, we have crowdfunding, funds raised through online platforms. For example, when a company announced its IPO, like that one. Another, private equity, funds raised from private equity investors. So these are the organization corporation. So buy shares from the company. For example, Microsoft buy a substantial shares to a certain holding company. Okay. So example, Airbnb, private equity financing. Airbnb raises 1 billion in private equity financing to expand its operation. So private equity financing, Airbnb raises 1 billion from private equity investors, including Silver Lakes and Sixth Street Partners. Expansion plans, Airbnb uses the funds to expand its operations, including the acquisitions of new properties and the development of the new service. So this is how they make their investments be better and grow. Then accounting standards we have is IFRS and then the okay. So that's the segments of our discussion for today. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.